The question says 5 liter of KMnO4 solution contains 0.01 equivalence of KMnO4. Then 50 ml of given solution will contain how many moles of KMnO4? Okay, 50 ml of given solution will contain how many moles of KMnO4? Okay, the data provided. 5 liter contains 0.01 equivalence of KMnO4. Equivalence of KMnO4. Now pay attention carefully. Number of equivalence formula we have. Number of equivalence is equal to mole multiplied by n factors. Okay, by using this formula we can calculate number of moles of KMnO4. Why? Because number of equivalence is what? 0.01. Okay, n factor value we can calculate by using this equation, and then we can calculate moles. Okay, so if 5 liter contain these many moles, then 50 ml will contain how many moles? We can use proportion method and answer is ready. Okay, pay attention carefully. We calculate n factor value for KMnO4. For this we need to write down the oxidation number. 4 to 8, potassium is what? Plus 1. Then manganese is present in plus 7 oxidation number. 2 to 4, manganese is present in plus 4 oxidation number. Find the difference in oxidation number. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3, and factor value for KMnO4 is what? 3 is there. Okay, now apply the formula. We have number of kilograms. How many? 0.01 is there, is equal to mole. This is what we have to calculate. Moles of KMnO4 multiplied by n factor value 3. So we got mole is equal to 3. Sorry, it is supposed to be 0.01 divided by 3. I can also write 1 by 300 is there. Okay, now you can see it is given in 50 ml. 50 ml of the KMnO4 solution will carry how many moles of KMnO4? Okay, so it is 5 liter is there, so I can convert into ml. 5000 ml. 5 liter is equal to 5000 ml. 5000 ml carries 1 by 300 moles of KMnO4. Then 50 ml solution will carry how many moles of KMnO4? X value we can determine. Okay, we have proportion method. Okay, so let me remove it. I put it equal to here, and we can crisscross. So we have equal to is there, so we can crisscross. Anyway, I can write this one, this portion I can write 0 0, you can cancel 5, and this is where 5 1 5, 100 is there. So we get 100 is equal to 1 by 300. X is there, 300x. Okay, and x value is to be determined. So I can transfer x on the left side. So x is equal to what? 1 by 300 multiplied by 100. So I can write 1 upon 3 multiplied by 10 to power 4. It can also be written 10 to power minus 4 divided by 3. Okay, so number of moles of KMnO4 present in 50 ml of the solution is what? 10 to power minus 4 divided by 3. Any option you can see. We have option B is correct. Very good question.